Economy experts reacted to new finance law. Amina Nugem is here with details on business news. Your own, Amina.
Thank you, Kenneth. The presidential assent to the financial bill is expected to reform the financial sector through the review of tax laws and raising Nigeria's value-added tax from 5% to 7.5%. The
micro businesses is giving them a lot of headroom to be able to create wealth, to hold back on those and then reinvest those, and carry on until they get to a threshold of 25 million naira. And not only on tax exemption, but also on VAT exemption, so that they don't get lumbered. And it's very consistent with the advice of the ease of doing business, which has been a very successful side of our over the last 4 years. The second thing is that it's also brought more revenue to the government through the VAT increase. But the biggest beneficiary of this VAT increase are the state governments and the local governments. And I think they get the highest proportion, almost near 8%. And then that would enable them to pay the minimum wage.
The 5 strategic objectives of the law is to achieve increased but necessary changes to Nigeria's fiscal laws. Experts say will make impact within a short period of time and advise that it should be gazetted by the Federal Ministry of Finance soon. For the Nigerian equities market on Tuesday, it was the end of a bullish start as the bears returned. Investors lost 180.76 billion naira as the NSE Osha index declined by 1.18% to close the trading session, dropping to 29,283.15 basis points. 666 million was the number of total shares traded on the floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, valued at 6.515 billion naira in 5,711 deals. Market capitalization stood at an impressive 15,106 trillion naira. Its year-to-date returns currently stands at plus 9.09%. Union Diagnostic and Clinical Services led the list of active stocks that recorded an impressive volume of spike, followed by Zenith Bank and UBA. And in absolute terms, on the gainers chart, Beta Glass PLC 9.67%, Foot Oil 5.62%, and Flour Mill Nigeria PLC. On the flip side, Nigerian Brew PLC declined by 8%, MTN Nigeria lost 2.66%, while Dangote Cement depreciated by 1.16%. And stock market report wraps up business news. Kene, back to you.
Thank you, Ami.